I have this very simple room. Well, it's going to be a room anyway. Now, if I have another model that I built previously that I want to import into this, it's really simple. So first of all, let me open up the model. I got this simple table going on here. All right, so the first thing is delete. If you want to import this model, it's best to delete the cameras and lights. Okay, so cameras and lights are deleted. Very easy. Go to File, Export. Export it as an FBX. And then it'll default to the same folder, but you can navigate anywhere you want to. And I'll save it. Export FBX. Yay. Let me open that room. So here's my room now. So I want my table in my room, so it's very simple. File, import, and you're going to import an FBX. And you guessed it, just select the model you want to import, import FBX, and it'll come in probably at a different scale, and no worries there. Make sure you're in object mode, choose the scale tool, and if you hover over this, the largest outer circle, click, hold, and drag, you can scale it into whatever size you need. Okay.